In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to reactivate Messenger account. Now this is a very simple process, and for this what you need to do is you need to reactivate your Facebook account, because if you do not reactivate your Facebook account, you will not be able to reactivate your Messenger account. Now let's start. First, if you have deactivated your Facebook, you need to open up your Facebook and then simply log in. Since you have deactivated your account, simply logging in will reactivate your account. Just type in your email and then type in your password and then press on login. After you do that, your Facebook will get reactivated and then you'll be able to log into your Facebook first. As you can see, I have logged in back to my Facebook. Now on the top right, you will see the Messenger button. Click on the Messenger button and then you'll be logged in to your Messenger account too. Your Messenger will reactivate also. So that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and leave a like in the video. Bye bye.